Okay, I'm up. Is that a rooster? Oh. Okay guys, it is our first official day in Costa Rica, and look at the Airbnb we're staying in. So we have a bunch of different Airbnbs just located on different parts of Costa Rica, but this one really stood out to us for how special the lookout is. You can see all of San Jose right in front, and then just the windows and everything is just insane. The bathroom, we are very excited for the trip. I'm actually here with my sister. We literally do all of our trips together, and yeah, we're excited for this one.
Yeah, this is a beautiful spot.
So we're gonna go get the rental car, we're gonna figure out where we're gonna go, and we'll keep you guys updated.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Okay, let's see. When you guys ask me how I travel with so much gear, it's not easy. This backpack is at least 30 pounds, this is another 10 pounds, and then just clothes really, but oh my gosh, dude, exhausting. I'm literally dead. Okay, so you ready to go?
We're ready.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
We just got the rental car.
Just got the rental car.
Emery's ecstatic about it. Do you like the color?
I love it. It reminds me of like my car, like a little bit.
Kind of. Just literally like half the size.
Yeah, a little bit shorter. Okay, watch out for the dog caca.
Well, here it is. This is what we have. It is a 4x4, so this should allow us to get through literally anything we need to. Okay, so we just finally got into our rental car.
Took a little bit.
And we're very grateful.
Yeah.
It's definitely exactly what we need. But I vividly remember him saying, all his cars are brand new. 2021 up and newer.
Yeah.
This baby ain't 2021, okay? I know that 2021 looks like, doesn't look like this. With that being said, still grateful. We're still gonna use it to its full potential and have a great time.
Oh my gosh.
But it's not 2021.
It's literally right here, but I think they're closed.
What is this?
The coffee shop that we're gonna go to, he brought us to a different place, but it's right, like we're right here. It says it's right here.
Let's do it. Does it have food there? Okay, so we just finished breakfast and now we're about to head to a couple different beach spots. We're gonna try to go like seek out if we can find a waterfall. It might be closed, it might not be, so we're basically just gonna be going south and seeing what we can end up finding. But what we're finding out so quickly is there's so much stuff here that anywhere you drive you're just running into stuff, so we'll see if we end up just running into something along the way or what happens. Okay, so we're about to go hike down to the waterfall. Are you excited?
Yes. unnecessary.
after we had to pay for parking, admissions, and it's a natural thing. It just doesn't make sense to us, but we're gonna make the most of it. It's gonna be crazy, so let's see it. Okay guys, we just finished climbing to the waterfall. It's kind of like, it's a pretty decent hike, I'm not gonna lie. What do you think?
Lots of stairs, it was really fun.
Lots of stairs, the water was super blue. We took a lot of clips, so check out the B-roll we got. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was kind of us just like playing around. We really had to make the most of like how many people were actually there. So we were trying to get shots, pictures, all of that. But it was more about just like timing really, right?
Yeah, it was cool. It kind of cleared out though, and then we got to see some butterflies and some other animals. It was great.
Yeah, watch our step here because this forest is actually crazy. Like the terrain isn't that bad, but we haven't really seen any animals yet. Like we're trying to look for like
snakes.
No snakes. No, I mean that's kind of a good thing. We don't want to jinx it, but
some like little iguanas, some little like.
I want to see a sloth.
I want to see a sloth.
Or like a
who doesn't want to see a
toucan
sloth?
or something, like a really cool bird or a frog.
Yeah.
Something that we would never see in Texas. So keep you guys posted. We're looking hard, but we can't find anything.
I should let go.
Okay guys, this is what, day two?
Day two.
Day two, and we're gonna go try to climb, what is it called? Reno National Park, where it has like the best volcanoes and stuff. We're gonna take you guys with us as much as we can. I don't know how packed it's gonna be with people, so we'll try to get a bunch of like slow like B-roll and stuff of us actually like hiking through the forest and everything. And the pictures and everything should just be super sick. We're both excited about it. But first, coffee. Let's do that. And just like that, we got our Starbucks. Starbucks in Costa Rica. We both weren't expecting that, but we got it and it's good. Cheers.
We really do like trying local coffee shops, and we have already tried like 2 or 3, but this one is like right by our thing, and we're about to get on the road for like 3.5 hours. So we have to get
And damn, is it good.
it
is so good.
Let's do it.
Okay, just a 3-hour something drive ahead of us. Okay, we're starting the hike. We both got our sandals on. Emery's ready to go. You ready?
I'm ready.
It shouldn't be that far. Is it 3.1 round trip or 3.1 there and 3.1 back?
I think it's round trip. I'm not sure.
I'm pretty sure it's round trip. We're gonna eat this out right now, so get ready for the mountain clips. We're about to do some like crazy fucking B-roll with this.
This is a bromeliad. It grows off of things and it roots on. It doesn't grow from this tree, and it gets water from the top or from the air. It's super cool. They just grow anywhere.
That is a very fun fact. Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, just to update you, we are probably like a little more than halfway through the trail. So it's going good. This is probably the most luscious trail we have ever been on. Emery, is this not crazy luscious?
Amazing. It's so humid and green. I love it.
Yeah, it's actually super cool. Like everything's just grown over. Trees and stuff. Ivy, like all this stuff is just, it's gorgeous. But I'll keep you updated. We're going to the top. And Emery's going off the path now. Let's see it. No drone flying signs. We're definitely putting that shit up in the air, so get ready for that. And that is how you land your drone. If you're trying to act like you know what you're doing, you know, you can't really just land it on the ground, especially not in like a terrain like this for that matter. So great shots. We're gonna cut to the clips we just got now. Okay guys, we just finished climbing to the volcano. It wasn't obviously to the top. It was just too cloudy to even take the risk in general. But we still got a bunch of really dope drone footage. Thank you, my body's killing me. She got a bunch of cool pictures of me. I got a bunch of cool pictures of her. We can include those right now if you guys want to see them, or you can check them out on our Insta. Up to you. But just this place is just spectacular. And all the pictures you see, there's so much stuff to do. They don't even tell you there's a really cool like staircase on the way there. And they probably did that because people couldn't make it up this slippery. I mean, like it's really slippery down here. Okay, so we just finished the hike. Good job. How was it?
It was easy, super fun.
Yeah, it was super easy. You guys see our little beater? This thing has literally got us through literally everything. Like there hasn't been one thing to stop this car yet. And right on time, the car is not starting. And we're out. There's actually more people here, but this is definitely not what we need right now. So now we're trying to start it. You wanna try again?
Yeah.
It's on. We let it sit for about like what?
Literally 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
10 minutes or something, and I literally was like, just crank it up one more time, because the last time I tried, it seemed like it almost was about to start, and it just turned on, so.
Our lucky day.
It is our lucky day. Let's get out of here.
We're gonna leave.
Okay guys, we just got the sickest shots with the drone. We're gonna show those now, because I just flew it right through these trees right here. And we're on like a busy intersection and everything too. But yeah, you have to see these. These actually look insane. Yeah, we're just gonna show the clips because cars just keep going by.
Creators and destroyers, is this how it ends? Oh, where salvation begins.
Okay guys, it's our last day in Costa Rica and we've done so much today already, let alone we had to drive through the night to make it here. This is on the opposite side of Costa Rica. We took two different paths. Both times we couldn't go that way, or the road was just like way too extreme and dangerous.
Like crossing a river.
Like a very deep,
He was so ready to. It was 2 in the morning and he was like, oh, we got it.
I think we were both just desperate to get here, to enjoy like our last full day here. And yeah, it was very intense. But we just finished riding ATVs earlier. It was so much fun. I think we're both just kind of like tired from it. We went to the beach, rode ATVs on the beach. Yeah, so now we're about to go get dinner before we head out. So this has definitely been very special, a lot of fun. If we have any clips of like B-roll of us like playing around this fortress that we're in right now, we'll cut to that now. I'm not sure if we do, but if we do, check it out. Okay, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. We had so much fun making this. I had so much fun creating a lot of the shots that you saw. And yeah, I think this trip was perfect.
Yeah, it was fast.
Not
fun.
too long, not too short.
No.
We're kind of both burnt out.
Yeah, Costa Rica is definitely, it's not for the faint of heart. It's very jungly.
Yeah, one thing we mentioned, like, we're supposed to tell you, the one thing that we didn't realize is how far you have to drive to get to anything. We drove probably 8+ hours. No.
Like in one night. Like
yeah,
we
one
drive,
night.
And like that one day we probably drove like a total of 12 hours, and then today we're gonna be driving through the night to get somewhere because it's gonna take like 6 or 7 hours to get back to the airport so we can make our flight, and the COVID tests are still a thing. So it's definitely, time is something you have to, like, driving time is something.
Yeah, that's something that we didn't really understand, but like
about.
anything we did, it was 2+ hours, 3 hours, which could be fine in a normal place, but this isn't like normal highways. You're having to go up and down mountain ridges, so.
Yeah.
But I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, still fun.
We had
Definitely
fun. We'll see you in the next one.